Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best pool pump O-ring is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components in maintaining a crystal clear and efficiently running swimming pool, ensuring that your filtration system operates at peak performance without any leaks, which can lead to costly water loss and reduced circulation, ultimately impacting the overall health and enjoyment of your pool. Number 5. Hayward ECX 270861 Boxed Pressure Gauge Replacement. Ensure your Hayward filter is running at peak efficiency with this essential replacement part. It's designed to accurately monitor your system's pressure. This is a direct replacement for your existing boxed pressure gauge. It's specifically designed for select Hayward sand and DE filter models. It fits microclear vertical grid and Perflex extended cycle DE filter models. Keep your filtration system in top condition with this part. This gauge is also compatible with various Hayward sand filter models, including the EC series. It's a crucial component for monitoring performance. For Hayward Pro Series sand filters, this replacement gauge fits a wide range of models. Ensure accurate pressure readings for optimal pool clarity. Replacing your old gauge is straightforward with this part. Restore your filter's functionality and maintain peace of mind about its operation. What we like. This gauge is designed for accurate pressure readings, ensuring your filter operates at optimal levels. Its robust build guarantees longevity even in harsh pool environments. If you're looking for a reliable way to monitor your filter's performance and ensure it's working efficiently, this is the choice for you. What people say. This O-ring fit my Hayward Super Pump perfectly. It was a perfect fit for my Hayward pool pump and sealed it up nicely. Number 4. Hayward SPX 1500D 2-way strainer cover. Keep your pool equipment running smoothly with this essential strainer cover. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your existing cover. This part is specifically designed to fit your Hayward PowerFlow LX-SB 1580 pump series. Ensure a secure and proper fit for optimal performance. It's also compatible with a range of Hayward PowerFlow 2 SP 1700 pump series models. This ensures versatility for various setups. Beyond pumps, this cover is also compatible with Hayward Easy Clear, Perflex, and Pro and VL series filters. It's a versatile solution for your pool system. This replacement comes complete with an O-ring, ensuring a watertight seal. It provides everything you need for a hassle-free installation. Trust in Hayward's quality for your pool maintenance needs. This strainer cover is built to last and maintain the integrity of your system. What we like. This offers a complete strainer cover and O-ring assembly, making replacement straightforward. It's compatible with a broad range of Hayward pump and filter models, simplifying your search for the right part. If you need a quick and comprehensive solution to a leaking strainer cover, this product is an excellent option. What people say. This is a perfect fit for my Hayward pool pump. The O-ring was exactly what I needed to stop the leak in my Hayward pump. It was easy to install and has been working great so far. Number 3. Hayward SPX 1500P Strainer Cover O-ring. Keep your pool pump running smoothly with this vital replacement part. It's designed to ensure a secure seal for your strainer cover. This O-ring is specifically engineered to fit a range of Hayward ABG and PowerFlow flooded suction pump models. Ensure compatibility with your specific pump model. It also provides a perfect fit for Hayward PowerFlow LX flooded suction pump models. Maintaining your pump has never been easier. This part is also compatible with Hayward PowerFlow 2 self-priming pump models. It's a reliable solution for your pool maintenance needs. Crafted for durability, this O-ring replacement ensures long-lasting performance. It's a simple yet crucial component for your pool's filtration system. Easily replace your old O-ring to restore the proper seal on your strainer cover. This ensures efficient operation and prevents leaks. What we like. This is specifically designed as a replacement O-ring for the strainer cover, focusing on sealing those critical connections. It's tailored for Hayward flooded suction pump models, ensuring a precise fit. If your primary concern is replacing a worn-out O-ring on a compatible Hayward flooded suction pump, this is the targeted solution. What people say. This O-ring fits my Hayward pool pump perfectly, ensuring a watertight seal and preventing leaks. The material of the O-ring is durable and seems like it will last for a long time, even with constant exposure to pool chemicals. Installation was straightforward, and the O-ring immediately resolved the leaking issue I was having with my old one. Number 2. Hayward SPX 5500H Strainer Cover O-ring. Keep your Hayward pump and filter running smoothly with this essential strainer cover O-ring replacement. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring optimal performance. Specifically engineered for the Hayward PowerFlow Matrix SP1590 pump series, including models SP1591, SP1592, SP1592FT, and SP1593. This part ensures a secure seal. This O-ring is also compatible with Hayward's Stream cartridge and Perflex extended cycle DE filter models. It's a versatile solution for various filtration systems. Additionally, it fits Hayward Pro and VL Series sand filter model S210T93 SFT. Maintain your sand filter's integrity with this crucial component. Weighing just 0.1 pounds, this O-ring is lightweight yet durable. It's a simple yet vital part for the longevity of your Hayward equipment. What we like. This O-ring is engineered for the Hayward PowerFlow Matrix pump series and also fits specific cartridge and DE filters. Its lightweight nature means it won't add unnecessary bulk to your system. If you have a PowerFlow Matrix pump or a compatible cartridge DE filter and need a replacement O-ring, this is a suitable choice. What people say. This is a perfect fit for my Hayward pool pump. The O-ring was easy to install and has been working great so far. It stopped the leak in my pump and saved me from buying a new one. Number 1. Hayward SPX 1500P Pool Pump Lid O-ring, 4-pack. Is your pool pump lid leaking and causing pressure loss? It might be time to replace that old O-ring. This O-ring is designed to be a direct replacement for Hayward PowerFlow 1500, LX, and 1700 series pumps. Properly sealing your pump lid is crucial for maintaining system pressure and preventing leaks. This replacement ensures a secure fit. Replacing this small part can significantly improve your pool's filtration system performance. It's a simple fix for a common problem. Get a reliable seal with this high-quality O-ring. It's built to last and keep your pool running smoothly. This pack comes with 4 O-rings, so you'll have spares on hand for future maintenance needs. What we like. This option provides a pack of 4 O-rings, offering great value and ensuring you have spares on hand. It comes with clear dimensions, so you know exactly what you're getting. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to ensure your Hayward PowerFlow 1500, LX, or 1700 series pump lid remains sealed and prevents leaks, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. This is a great replacement O-ring for the Hayward pool pump. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.